Cosmo Macero of Neal & Associates joins us now. And Cosmo, we talked about this a bit earlier. We would see the state income tax that jumps from 5.25 right up to 6.25. The sales tax that comes down 6.25 down to 4.5%. You know, how is that going to affect businesses here in Massachusetts right off the bat?
Well, businesses and individuals, you know, if your boss ever gave you kind of a crappy raise and you felt like saying, you know what, just keep it. If you make about $102,000, if the governor's proposals go through, say you get a 1 or 2% raise, you're actually better off giving it back next year because you're going to lose money based on the combined hit from the tax proposals. Your overall tax burden is going to increase by about $3,200. You get a 1% raise, takes you from 102 to 103. That's the tipping point. Exactly 102,866 is the tipping point. That's what the governor is using to define upper income for the purpose of tax policy. Whereas at the federal level, 250, 275, 400,000. That's what the argument was there.
What about the lower sales tax, though? Is that going to give a boost to businesses? I mean, we see when the tax is taken out on sales tax holiday, people flock to the stores. Now you're going to have this every day, and it's going to be less than what you've been paying. Granted, it went up recently, but, you know, now it's back down to a comfortable level for a lot of folks. Will they go in when they know they have the payroll tax taking money out of their pockets, and now even more taxes coming out of their pockets?
Yeah, on a logical policy level, look, every year we look forward to the sales tax holiday for a day or a weekend. Well,
right.
Conceivably, then, if you're reducing the sales tax, it's going to have some incremental positive impact in the same way. It's going to increase spending. It's going to encourage people to come out. And if you do it permanently, it's going to have that kind of a positive impact. The problem is, in reducing the money that we've got in our pockets by raising the income tax, you've got less money to spend, you've got less disposable income, and it's really a balancing act there. Overall for the state, lots of money potentially for, as the governor says, education, transportation programs, but individually, you got to look really hard at how is it going to affect my household. By and large, lower income, middle income households, they're going to do okay, a few $100 impact for the year. But you hit that $102,000, $103,000 point, you're taking a big hit from the proposed income tax increase.
There you go, Cosmo. You get an A in math tonight.
Thank you.
There's a lot to go through, my friend.
Okay.
Thank you, Maria.